Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to give vitamin B12 injection in arm. Gather your supplies and set them on a clean surface near you. Confirm vial label and dosage, wash hands thoroughly, and put on gloves. Clean the upper arm injection site with an alcohol swab using circular motions. Pinch skin if needed, insert needle at 90 degrees, inject slowly, wait 5 seconds, withdraw, and apply adhesive bandage. Prepare safely by organizing your workspace and reviewing patient allergies and history. Use sterile technique when drawing up the correct dose from the vial into a 1 ml syringe. Remove air bubbles by tapping and expelling a small amount back into the vial. Label the syringe if needed and double-check the dose with a second person when possible. Maintain a calm pace and clear communication throughout the procedure to reduce errors. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that seal tightly and resist spills, which is great for carrying aftercare snacks or organizing medical supplies humorously in your kit. Check the description for the product link and other deals and consider picking one up. Now let's get back to the video. Choose the deltoid site and mark it visually. Find the midpoint 2 to 3 finger widths below the shoulder bone. Clean the area, let it air dry, and gently stretch or pinch the skin depending on muscle mass. Hold the syringe like a dart, insert at a full 90-degree angle, aspirate only if your protocol requires it, then inject the medication slowly. Withdraw smoothly, apply pressure, and place a small adhesive bandage over the site.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.